Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making zucchini and sausage bake. I'm using the green zucchinis like this. These are summer zucchinis, and I sliced them diagonally. You see that? There's 5 of these, including the one I just showed you that I haven't sliced yet. To that I'm going to be adding 12 ounces of mushrooms sliced, half a pound of mozzarella grated, 1 28-ounce can of petite cut tomatoes. That's, again, like I said, 28 ounces. 1/4 of a cup of grated, normally grated, not microplaned, pecorino romano. About, it's a little bit over a half a cup of onions. And then for my spices, I have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon basil, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also have olive oil, which I already used most of it, as you can see. And I have my pans warming up. This is going to be for the mushrooms and the zucchini. I'm going to brown them before I add them. I combine everything together. And then in here I'm going to be making my tomato sauce. I haven't put anything in there yet, but I have the pot warming up so I can add the onions and all the spices and everything I need. Now the spices I showed you, it's going to go throughout the dish, so I'm not going to throw it in just one spot. I'm going to be incorporating it as I go. And in this pot I have 1 pound of, oops, too close, 1 pound of regular sausage and 1 pound of hot sausage. You can use just regular sausage. It doesn't have to be hot. But anyway, I will be back when I start putting things together so you can see it. Meaning I'm frying something. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. I just wanted to show you where I was in the process. As you can see, that's not brown enough, so I'm going to just turn around. So turn that back around so I can finish browning. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be browning the mushrooms as well as the zucchini until they have some brownness. Zucchini doesn't brown that well, so it's probably going to be there for a while before it browns. But I'm going to try to do the best I can to brown it on both sides. And then once the sauce is done, the sausages are cooked, and I cut them, I skin them, I cut them, then I'm going to be combining everything. But I wanted to show you if I can. Might not be able to because everything is warm around here, or steaming around here. I'm going to be adding my petite tomatoes. I'm going to give that a stir. And then I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cook. While I'm cooking everything else, this will be cooking too. And then hopefully we'll meet somewhere in the middle, and then I can start combining them. But when I get to the next step, I'll come back and I'll show you what that is. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. I just wanted to show you where in the process I was with my zucchini and sausage bake. I'm just taking out the sausage. I had browned them a little bit. I had cooked the mushrooms in there first, and then I cooked all the zucchini. You see that they're nice and brown. And then I put some of the sausages in just to brown them a little bit. I have more sausages to brown, but my sauce is continuing to cook as I'm getting all this prepared, and I will come back when I get to the next step in a second. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. I just wanted to show you where I was in the process of my zucchini and sausage bake. I wanted to let you know that I ended up adding another can of crushed tomatoes in here. I don't believe I'm going to use all of it, but I'm always at the belief that I'd rather have a little extra than not have enough, and then I can't complete the recipe. So I'm going to be assembling my zucchini and sausage bake, And I'm going to start out with putting a ladle or two. I'm going to spread it out all the way to the end. And then I'm going to take my zucchini and I'm just going to pour it in one at a time because I want to make sure that it's covered. And then once everything's assembled, so once I get the zucchini in, I'm going to throw the mushrooms on top and then the sausages and so forth. And I'll be back when I'm just about... Hello and welcome back to Yota's Kitchen. I wanted to show you where I was in the process with my zucchini and sausage bake. I ended up putting a layer of zucchini on the bottom. I threw the mushrooms on top. Then I put in the sausages, and then I put the remainder of the zucchini on. I put a little more sauce on the top. Then I'm going to sprinkle with the pecorino romano, making sure that I get everything covered, and worst comes to worst, I can get more. But I think this is more than enough. And then I have a half a pound of the mozzarella cheese that I had grated. I'm just going to make sure that I evenly coat it. Okay, I think this looks about right. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees and I'm ready to put everything in the oven, and I'm going to bake it. I'm going to check it at 45 minutes because I don't want the cheese to burn, but it's at 350 degrees for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to check it, and if I feel that it needs a little more, I'll put it back in for as long as I believe, maybe 5 minutes. And I wanted to show you that I did have tomato sauce left, but again, it's better to have extra than less. I'll see you in a little bit. Welcome to Yota's Kitchen. I just wanted to show you my zucchini and sausage bake. I just took it out of the oven. It's nice and golden. It looks beautiful. It's still bubbling a little bit, so I'm not going to cut into it right now. But I will be back in a few seconds or in a few minutes, and I will cut out a piece and I'll show you what that looks like. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. I wanted to show you my zucchini and sausage bake. I put it on a bed of rice only because there's a lot of juices with this. Vegetables have a lot of juice, and this is the end result. So I hope you like it. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Kaliorexi. Thank you for watching Yota's Kitchen. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.